so long since I have done a vlog, and I'm super excited to do one today. Today, I think is gonna be kind of a productive day. Our house is disgusting. Like, let me show you. We just have dishes everywhere. Our apartment is just like a wreck. So I am going to tidy up a little bit, but video editing magic, it will take 1 second for you, and then you'll be so satisfied when it's done. Okay, I still have a couple more dishes to do, but the apartment is looking much better now. I just made some coffee. I don't know what I would do without coffee. I think I might play The Sims. I haven't played Sims in so long. I am getting, oh, hello. I'm getting really hungry, so I'm gonna have some green juice and I'm going to have some chips and salsa. It's really nice outside, so we're gonna go to the pool. I just got dressed so we could all go on a walk. Okay, let's go. Freedom! Come on. She's so pitiful right now. So stinky girl. Oh my god. You look so pitiful. No! No!
Just a little, just a smidge.
Anyway, I'm gonna cook
more wine! I demand more wine!
I'm gonna cook dinner. I'm gonna cook dinner. Hey vlog, welcome to Rose's kitchen. I am about to make dinner. Hey vlog, it's Friday and I'm gonna do a little bit of skincare. I'm gonna use a toner and a moisturizer, and that's about it for skincare before I put makeup on. I'm doing this a lot, so I'm going to apply some lotion and some chapstick. Moving on to hair, I'm going to do some things to make it look like I have actually washed my hair in the past couple days. I'm going to be using this dry shampoo, this heat protectant spray. I'm also going to use a Revlon blow dryer to give my hair some volume. And that's a bit better. I have pretty thick hair, so I sectioned off the top half of my hair. I am going to use this curling wand. But while the bottom part is filling out for a little bit, I'm gonna start doing my makeup. Okay guys, so makeup is done, hair is done. Let me show you my outfit. I have a top on from Urban Outfitters and jeans from Target, and then shoes from Steve Madden. And I think Ari is getting depressed that we're leaving. Okay guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Bye.